do you do for work, mate?
Name is Mungi. Raised in Mount Druitt, from proud Samoan, and 30 years of age.
Damn.
Life is pretty good. I think the perception about Mount Druitt in general is that it's bad. It's not good for the youth. It's not good growing up. But Mount Druitt's where it's at. It toughens people up. But all in, pretty good. I love it. Wouldn't want to live anywhere else. Going to Samoa was definitely a culture shock. Definitely wasn't used to it. Being born in Australia and all, but I think one thing, community was, that's probably the one thing I noticed. You people from Samoa, you're a bunch of jokesters, but I love it. They don't take life serious. Just funny people. We can learn a lot from that. Being here, living in Australia, but love it over there. Very funny people. Love life, living life, love life. Culture's your gun as well. It's pretty good. Very tight-knit community. Pretty much similar to life in Samoa.
How old were you when you first went to Samoa?
So I was year 10, so around 16, 17, yeah.
Is that where you got your tat?
Yes, as you can see there. It's a very painful experience.
You're still up there or?
It's a Mupolo. No. I think I'm too comfortable with where I'm living right now. I don't do very well branching out to new stuff, if that makes sense. Just.
So you think of it, that's what mum and dad did, but you're in a better position than them.
Yeah.
Like, they knew nothing, they knew no English, like little family who, what do you think of that? Like, just taking that step?
They're pretty much my heroes. For people, well, for them to come over, mum first went to New Zealand, and she wanted a better life for us, so she came here. My dad followed, and they both limited English, limited skill sets in regards to like work, stuff like that. And that's probably the real started from the bottom. Now we're here. They lived the real struggle, and through that struggle they made our lives better. So shout out to your parents, guys.
Is it your 40? Oh, 30. 30.
Stuff this interview, man. Ooh. That's a good one. That's a good question.
I know it's a lot to put it into one.
Yeah.
But
I think
like the one that sticks out.
always keep family first. I know she's very family oriented. Is that the word? So keep in contact with family. Always be tight with family, because at the end of the day, those are the people you look to when you're down and out. So even friends that you call family as well. So keep your family close to your heart. Fuck. Trying to get me to cry you or something.
Now you can cry, man.
Stuff. Man, that guy's taught me so much.
How to still get the room.
Yeah, he's definitely the most hard-working man I've ever met in my life. Stuff you.
That's true, but
Um,
I know that.
Yeah, I think the one lesson that my old man's taught me is, like I said before, work hard. That guy, even when he's dying or sick, the guy still goes into work. Never takes a day off. Wants to provide for the family. I know there's days, well, back in the days, he used to sleep at work because we had no other car. So to make it easier for my mum, he used to sleep at work. So he's the definition of hardworking, a hard worker. So yeah, work hard and provide for your family, and yeah,